first of all, first tag which we will be learning is lightning card. So all the HTML tags are written inside HTML file only. We will come to JavaScript shortly. Okay. So first tag we are introducing is lightning card.
How
So
those two files came next to each other? You dragged and dropped, or it came automatically when you clicked?
which one? These files?
HTML and JavaScript files.
I just double clicked on each file.
Double clicked. Okay.
Yes. So let me save it, close it, and I'll double click on HTML. It will open. I'll double click on JavaScript. It will open.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So first tag we will be learning is lightning card. If we are starting any tag, we have to end it also. So what does this lightning card basically do? It gives you this white colored border for your component. Okay. See, this is missing for this component which we created yesterday. Correct? White border is not there. So this lightning card will give you border and give you look and feel of your Salesforce org. Okay. So now with every tag, we will be introducing some attributes. Now, what are attributes? Attributes means properties for that particular tag. I mean, what should be the size of that tag, or what should be the font? Okay, so every tag has different properties. We will repeat this till sixth lecture. Every tag we will be learning in next 2 days. We will be repeating them daily till sixth lecture. Okay, so first attribute for lightning card is title. Okay, so title will do what? How we have to write attribute before our first closing this arrow. We can write all the attributes for any tag. So first attribute is title. So what will title do? It will give you the heading for that lightning card. Lightning card, you understand now what is lightning card, correct? This white border thing. Okay. So my today's topic is data binding. So I'll give it a head title, data binding. Okay. Let's save it and let's see what comes on the UI. So just I have done is Control S and it shows you all changes are deployed. So if you are on HTML file, the corresponding JavaScript file will also get saved. Or if you are on the JavaScript file of that component, corresponding HTML tag, HTML file will get saved when you will press Control S. Okay.
Okay.
So data binding _1 is the name of our component. How do we deploy a component? Setup button, edit page.
You clicked on developer console, I think. Okay.
No, I clicked on edit page. So on the left hand side, you can see list of components, and our component should be under custom. So data binding _1 was a component. I'll drag and drop it here. So see, my component is here. Now I'll go back. So currently I haven't put anything. So only the white colored lightning card is getting displayed. Okay. And the attribute for that card I have given as title. So title is displayed on the top left side of the card. Okay, this is the top left side. Though we don't have anything inside, that's why it is showing us smaller in size. Okay. Second attribute for a lightning card is icon name. So icon name, actually Salesforce has provided so many icons with custom number 1 to I think 200. Okay. So though if we want any particular icon, I will tell you a website where you can see. So just a second. Data binding is equal. Sorry. So what I can do, I want two things now I can do to reflect my changes. Either I can go to edit page again and open it, or what I can do is hard refresh this page. How do we do hard refresh? Control Shift and R.
What will happen?
Control Shift hard refresh will do what? I mean it will display me the latest changes to my this component. Why it is not displaying? Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen. So in that case, just in case your browser is having so many components, so it is not allowing me to show me that icon. Let me go there. icon name. Yes, it is correct. So what I have done, I have again clicked on edit page. Okay, so now you can see this icon is coming to our component. So what I will do, I'll open a duplicate for this instead of going again and again. So now I will save it so that the main new changes can be reflected on my record page. Okay, so now you can see an icon is visible here. Okay. This is a custom icon. I mean, random icons are available under Salesforce, starting from custom 1 to custom 200. I think this format will remain same. Okay. If you want to explore more icons, there is a website called salesforceicons.com. So here, I mean, whatever topic you search, let's say something component you are building is related to documentation. So you search for document, it will show you these 5 icons, whichever you want to include. So when I will click on this, I will click on icon name. It will copy the icon name for me. Okay. And I can go to my component. I can paste it here. Now it will show me this icon which I have selected. So now let's write some content inside Lightning card. Let's write same thing, input. Sorry, H1 I hello. Okay, and then let's create a button. And let's create an input also. Input, and before that we can give a label tag also. These things we have seen in our HTML course also.
So if you are pressing anything, please let me know so that it will be.
Pressing, I am only pressing Control S, nothing else.
Okay.
To save my component and deploy this. So coming back here, let me try doing hard refresh. Control Shift and R. Okay, you can note it out.
Yeah, like that.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it worked this time. See. Okay. So what it has done is it is printing some hi hello. Okay. Then I think 2 inputs I forgot to close. That's why I did a save again. I went there. Control Shift R once again.
Hard refresh.
Yes. So still not reflecting because there are so many components loaded on the screen. So that what I will do, I'll go to edit page and I'll refresh here. So it 99% of the time edit page works. Otherwise we have to refresh it again. So now it has updated. I'll save here and go back to my original page once again and I'll do a hard refresh. Okay. So see now hi hello is written with the help of H1 tag. Label is helping us in writing enter name and then input tag and then button. But do you see any difference? I mean, see the button quality of what we have written here and the actual buttons in LWC, Salesforce Lightning side. Okay. So see, these are the buttons, actual buttons. So we don't prefer using the regular buttons, HTML buttons. We prefer Lightning buttons only. We will be learning all the Lightning tags. When do we prefer regular buttons? Only when client asks us that if they want some normal HTML kind of thing and don't want to give any Lightning feel. So in those cases only we use buttons, regular buttons. Okay. So I'll be introducing Lightning input tag instead of input tag. Okay. So let me keep them and let me create second part here below. We will see the difference. So lightning input is there in place of our regular input tag. Okay. If I'm starting a tag, I have to end a tag. And in input tag, we have to give label explicitly, okay, outside it. But in lightning input, like I have shown you in lightning card, we have to give attributes before ending the first arrow, right side arrow. Okay. So here also we can give attributes here only. Okay. The first attribute is label. I can provide the label for my lightning input tag. So let me give enter name, same as that. Okay. And next is type. Type, I want text input tag of text type or number type or checkbox. Okay. So I'm giving it text. And let me create a lightning button now. One more lightning tag. So same attribute, label, whatever I want to display on the button, I have to give it here. Let's say submit. To see the difference, in regular button, you have to write outside. In lightning button, you have to give attributes before closing this braces. Okay. So one is this, and second is it also it has variants actually. Variant, I mean different type of buttons we have success button, then we have failure button. Success is of green colored by default, then failure is of red colored by default. Let's see if we don't mention variant, what will we get? Shift R, hard refresh. So see the look and feel of this input text and this button. These two are lightning tags and these were regular tags. So regular input was kind of square, sorry, rectangle, and the lightning input is of kind of curvy at the ends. Okay, though we can reduce the size of input also. And see the difference between buttons. This is lightning button and this is the regular button. Okay. So lightning button is, I mean, looking similar to these kind of buttons. Correct?
Mm.
Okay. So let's remove the now the HTML things, regular, because these won't be used. We will be only focusing on lightning tags. Okay. So how can I now let me give a new attribute variant. Okay.
Where are
Variant.
these available? I mean, these lightning.
I'll show you.
Okay.
I'll show you the documentation.
Okay.
Okay. So I mean, you don't have to remember anything. I remember
Yeah.
because I have practiced so much. Okay.
Right. Right.
But I will tell you as a fresher. I mean, up to 2-3 years, our
Copy.
developer has to go to those portals to check every time. Okay. So variant which is commonly used is brand. Okay. And let's say if I want to decrease the size of this lightning input, I can do it by two ways. One is I can create external CSS. Okay. Second is I can use inline CSS. Okay. And inline CSS, if you remember the tag from the first lecture, it was style. So style and CSS property for that is max width. So I will try to use as many possible style elements as I can, because then only you will start remembering them. Okay. Max width is the maximum width that will be allowed for this lightning input. Okay. So I don't know what it should be. So I'll start with keeping it 100 pixel. Let's see how much size it takes. So I'll save it. Here. Okay, so these, see the size of the lightning input has been reduced. Okay, so I'll save it, and we should be getting the latest code here. Okay, so still it looks clumsy. we don't have spacing on the left side, then everything is attached to each other. We will see how we can